Hi, I am Pavan. I am from Nagmangla near Mandya district. I completed BCom. After my degree, I was interested to move my career towards the networking field. So I get to know about the network assume through the YouTube, and here I enrolled for CCI security course. After I enroll my CCI security course, I go through CCNA, CCNP and CCI security models. In CCNA, I get to know about basic information about the routing and switching, some protocols. In CCNP, I get to know about the OSPF and EHRP, like depth knowledge in routing and switching. In CCI security, I get to know about the security models like VPN. After that, some firewalls like FTD, ASA, and checkpoint firewall. Network Zone provide both the offline and online courses, but I take an online course. In online course, I get remote access for the servers, and through online lab only I completed certain labs like CCNA, CCNP, CCIE models. I am interested to take trainers like Ajay sir, Sushil sir, and Kundan sir, Chetan sir, and Amira ma'am and Susan ma'am. I recently get placed at Barracuda. I got very good package. I was happy about that. Who are interested to move their career in networking field, I suggest the Network Assume. Thank you, Network Assume.